Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you this AI tool. You have to try it. I'm just going to quickly put my own audio. I'll drag and drop it now. I know what the audio says, so I'm just going to click on here to choose a character. So I'm going to pick my face. Yes, this is me, my picture and my voice. I can actually record an audio. You can either generate an audio or import an audio. So I'm going to quickly delete this one and let me record. Allow. Oh wow. Oh wow, I feel like a K-pop star. Like, I love this tool so much. Yeah. Let me stop that. Let me see how it goes. Oh wow. Oh wow, I feel like a K-pop star. Like, I love this tool so much. Yeah. So I'm just going to drag and delete this part, and so you can actually edit your audio. Yeah. So I have a. Oh wow, I feel like a K-pop star. Like, I love this tool so much. So yeah. Did you see that? So here on the image, you can actually tell it to describe any image you want to use. If you don't want to use your own image, you want to generate image from here, you can add your image here, screenshot, snap yourself, stylize the image. So let's stylize the image. That's the part I love the most. I'm going to write K-pop star and stylize. See what it turned me to. I feel fly. Am I like this? So let's apply these changes to our image. Yeah, so this is cool. If this is a Korean version of me, it's cool. What do you think, guys? Is it cool? Now I'm going to click on generate video. This is the interesting. So let's play. Oh wow, I feel like a K-pop star. Like, I love this too. Did you see the eye blinking? Did you see everything? It's so cool. It's so cool. So you have to have a paid subscription to remove this watermark down here. So this is the tool I'm using. I'm using hedra.com to generate this talking avatar. Guys, you have to try this tool. Try it out and let me know what you think. So when you're done, you can download your video here, and you can also download your images. Your images does not come with watermark, so yeah, avatar does not come with watermark. Yeah, so this is so cool. Yeah, check it out.